5. We are here for a dinner. Let's go inside and I'll show you the ambience and the food review I'll give you. Let's go. So friends, here I am after a long break to the social in Gurgaon, Social 85 it is called, and this is the inner inside of the social. You can see the ambience. It's a lovely ambience over here. This is the inside of it. This is AC room, and the outside there are also sitting outside. Also, you can sit there if the weather is good. But today the weather was really sticky and not good, so we decided to come inside and enjoy ourselves. And I'll show you the menu of this place. This is the menu. They have soup, salads, kebab, and then munches, momos. You can see this. Then they have pizzas, epic lunch thalis, pita bao. A lot of things is over here and good stuff. We have ordered for pizza. Let's see how it is. We'll try and we'll let you know about the taste of this place. I'm coming to the social for the first time, but the ambience is really good. It's really nice. You can see. Look at this. Wow. Look at this. They have a TV also over here. You can enjoy the matches. Look at this. You can see they have this small rooms over here also. Janjeev Jungle. Look at this, support wildlife. And they have this kind of chula over here. Look at this, wow. This place is really awesome. Look at this. There's a chula. You can sit here also and enjoy here also. This place is really awesome. Really awesome. People staying this side must come over here. The ambience is awesome. Awesome ambience. There's a TV over here also. Look at this. यहाँ पे भी झूले लगे हुए हैं. मतलब too good. Too good. Then there's this bar also over here. Cool place. Come and enjoy your evenings. Look at this. Wow. And I'll tell you this. This is the inside of this place where you have this is the AC place. Then there is this outside also. This is the outside. Even this is quite good. The weather is nice and cool. Breeze is blowing. Then this is the place to sit over here. This is the place. And then they have these small, you can see, rooms also where you can enjoy. Ambience is really good, really good. Now let's try the food and I'll tell you something. And I'll tell you about the food too, how the food is over here. Let's see. Our pizza must be here. Let's try the food. They give you sanitizer also. So this is our pizza, chicken tikka pizza. And this is lemonade. This is a, you can see, it's a thin crust pizza. Let's try it. It's looking yummy. Let's try it. Okay, the plates. You can look at the plates also. Such lovely plates. मतलब हर चीज़ में क्लास है, डिफरेंट है. Very nice. Let's try the pizza. बहुत ही thin crust है. Chicken is very delicious. And you can see cheese is also inside. This is cheddar cheese which they had put in, and the taste is really good. And you know what? I love thin crust pizza. That's the reason I'm liking this. Those who don't like thin crust pizza, I'm not sure, but the taste is really very good. Let's try this, and this is lemonade, sweet and sour. Very good. Let's finish this. First time I've seen this in front of a washroom, Nature's Fall. But I came to this washroom, and outside this washroom, look at this tigers. Such cute little tigers. Party animals. Here the animals are partying here also, and we are partying inside. Let's go. Second thing we've ordered is Lucknowi biryani. Look at this biryani. Oh, lovely. Let's try this also. Biryani, they have given this curd and this kind of papad. Let's try it. Biryani try करेंगे simple ऐसे. Very nice, very soft flavors and really good. Spicy नहीं, vegetable. I don't like spicy. Let's try with this curd also. What is soft? Very nice. This biryani is a pizza. This is the outside area. Look at this. And you know what? Today is Friday night, and it is inside the AC part is fully packed. Fully packed. Outside still only few tables people are sitting, but inside it's fully packed. I would recommend that you should come over here because the food is awesome, ambience is really good, and really a thumbs up to the food. Service was also really good. So you should come over here and enjoy your evenings. Look at this. Jam packed. Jam packed. People are waiting outside. चलिए ये vlog यहीं तक. Next, whenever I go anywhere, I will surely put it in. And a lovely evening. Till the next vlog. Take care. Love you all. Bye bye.